In today's video, we're heading from Ohio to West Virginia. It's early morning and we're listening to the news. It's going to be a super relaxing ride till we get into some of those mountains. We're glad that you're joining us. Welcome to the joy of trucking. Buckle up, let's go.
Responded by firing drones at U.S. military warships. It gave no details, though, and the U.S. military did not respond to a request for confirmation on the reported drone attack. Iran said it would have responded further.
Okay, so given all that you're describing here,
Also said that it's examining new U.S. proposals it's received in recent days. And there's no word from the U.S. on what those were, and Iran did not elaborate. But a senior Iranian national security official was quoted as saying regarding the talks that the U.S. must accept a new system in the Strait of Hormuz, that strategic waterway. And that new system is basically a structure of tolls that Iran has tried to set up, which worked for a certain time, in which it would transit through that strait. Original U.S. reason for going to war, which was reportedly to stop Iran's nuclear ambitions. To the south with more than a million military might or ultimatums. Over the weekend, the Speaker of Iran's parliament told state media that Iran stands firmer today than it did before the ceasefire. Policymakers and diplomats on Iran, and he is a professor at the Johns Hopkins University School of Advanced International Studies. Good morning, Professor. Thanks for joining us once more.
Good morning.
In response to overcrowded transportation systems. We'll hear more coming up in about 15 minutes.
Shop owners reopened after a judge issued a temporary shop was open again and homes that can be permanent. Ohio News for Jack Gonzaga.
Petroglyph? Leo Petroglyph? What? In Ohio?
District spokesperson Ebony Pugh says
Still has. But also, Trump is just looking for a way
I
to
think they read in a lot of what the president has been saying, what he's been tweeting or Truth Socially or whatever, that
away from a deal. But of course, these are the dying gasps of the desperate regime. Which, to your point, but do you see a way for the U.S. and Iran to come up with a deal before the sitting? We're not losing, right? But do you see the blockade as something akin to sanctions, or is it fundamentally different?
well, it's different in its structure, but certainly not its intent, right? The intent side of the Persian Gulf area. If they're able to
From the car, it's between 4 and 7.
If you've been enjoying this early morning ride along so far, please hit the thumbs up button. We would be appreciative of that. And if you decide to drive for Crete Carrier, Hunt, or Schaefer, and our videos have been helpful for you, please remember to give them our referral code SLOKEV, SLOKEV. We would be very, very grateful. All right, now on with the ride.
Was that for Patel to be in a position in which he is seemingly grounds for disciplinary action and possibly firing per the FBI's own materials. So I think there was a real sense of alarm that this was impacting the Bureau's ability to keep the American people safe.
Jake brake, and then it shifts back into 11th. Now it's in 10th gear. It's shifted way down.
Dip.
Nice and slow. Hardly felt.
Oh, that wasn't bad at all.
It's worse on the other lane.
Yeah.
The right lane is rougher.
Oh, look at all the wheels that have gone off there into the mud. I think he's parked for the night.
Oh, he didn't just come in there?
I don't think so. Lights are off.
Nobody at the wheel?
Nope.
Hey,
Nobody at the
I'm
wheel.
stopping right here.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go around through the fuel lane to get out of here.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Probably take their sweaters off now.
Yep. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie pie.
Gosh, you're
Backwards.
backwards.
Backwards. Hi.
Backwards dog.
Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, sweetie pie. Letters are off. Yeah. Can we squeeze through here? Look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Slalom driving. This guy's parked for the night. Yeah, didn't get his tail end in. Watch your trailer. Getting ready to go, maybe. You made it. Good job, Kevin. Nice slalom driving. 4 East.
Charleston is the next.
Yeah, Charleston, West Virginia, not South Carolina. Thank you so much for joining us today for this super relaxing morning ride through Ohio and West Virginia. Give us the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and put it in the comments. Do you listen to the news or music or podcasts? What's the first thing you listen to in the mornings? And what do you think of going up and down these mountains? All right, we'll see you soon. With love from Kevin and Tanya, the girls. Bye.